An amazing feeling. We've just finished entering all the numbers into our film project budget. Every detail is meticulously accounted for. We considered every phase of the project, from pre-production to production and post-production. Budgeting is a labor of love, requiring attention to detail, accuracy, and a touch of creativity to ensure every dollar is wisely spent. But here's the challenge we face. The total amount at the bottom, the grand total, doesn't quite match our initial vision. And that's where the real work begins. That's the moment when you truly embrace the essence of being a filmmaker, rolling up your sleeves and immersing yourself in the intricacies of budget trimming. It's a defining trait of a true filmmaker, a testament to your dedication and resourcefulness. We were approved for $4,500,000, but after our first round of budgeting, we realized we were close to $5 million. In this second round, we must aim to bring it down to our target. We don't have a choice, it's a must. In the first round, we entered numbers based on how we envision the project, but reality has a different plan. We must adjust and trim our budget without compromising the film's quality and the director's creative vision. So let's get started on this exciting journey of budget refinement. Together, we'll find ways to cut close to $500,000 while preserving the essence of the film. Let's devise a plan on how to attain our target number of $4,500,000. Get ready, because the fun begins now. Cut, cut, cut.